So ladies and gentlemen, today we're looking at 5.2. We're going to use linear equations in slope-intercept form. So you know yesterday I gave you the slope and the y-intercept. Today I'm just going to give you one and we're going to figure out how to find the other one. Okay? So we know the equation for these is y equals mx plus b. We know the m is the slope and the b is the y-intercept. What you may not know is that any number you plug in for x, you will find the correct y for the line. Okay? X and y means any point that you could plug in there. So what we're looking at is we've got an equation where we have the slope is m equals -4, and we've got the point -1, 3. So I've got y equals -4x, but I don't have the b. Does everybody see that? We don't know what the y-intercept is. So what I'm going to do is this is going to be x and this is going to be y, and I'm going to plug it into the equation to find b. Am I going too fast? I'm just going to take that point, plug it in for x and y, and that's going to give me b. Okay. So watch. I'm going to go, instead of x, I'm going to put a -1, but I still have the plus b because I'm going to get b alone. And instead of y, I'm going to put 3. Does everybody see that? I put the 3 in for y, I put the -1 in for x. And now I'm just going to solve for b. So I'm going to go -4 times -1 is 4. And then I'm going to subtract 4 from each side. So I get -1 equals b. Okay? So now my final answer, my equation, is going to be y equals -4x minus 1. Y equals -4x minus 1. Okay, so do we have questions about this? You've got the slope. You've got a point. So you're going to put it in point in its slope-intercept form. So, ladies and gentlemen, I want you to pause for a second. A different one where we're not given the slope. So we have to find the slope of this. So I'm going to label these x1, y1, x2, y2. I'm on example 2. So the first thing I'm going to do is find the slope. y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So I'm going to get -1 minus 5 over 2 minus a -2. Two negatives make this a positive. I'm going to get -6 over 4, which reduces to -3/2. Okay? Now I'm going to stick this in the equation y equals mx plus b. I don't know my b. So you're going to plug in 5 equals -3/2 times -2 plus b. Who knows where I got the 5 and the -2 from? Anybody? It's the x1, y1 up there? That's all I'm doing. Okay?
You said that's the what? X1, y1?
Yep. Okay. So now I'm just going to multiply. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Negative times a negative is a positive. Then I'm going to subtract 3 from each side, and I'm going to get b equals 2. So I'm going to have y equals -3/2x plus 2. Okay. Gentlemen, we're looking at the last one, our fun and exciting story route. In bicycle motocross racing, racers purchase a 1-year membership to a track. They also pay an entry fee for each race at the track. One racer paid a total of $125 after 5 races. A second racer paid a total of $170 after 8 races. How much, it's not supposed to be who much, it's supposed to be how much, does the track membership cost, and what is the entry fee per race? So we've got 2 points, okay? We've got 5 races, $125. and we've got 8 raises $170. And then this is just like the last 2 problems that we did, the one on the board and the one you did on your own. We're going to label it x1, y1, x2, y2. Then we say y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So 170 minus 125 is 45. And 8 minus 5 is 3. How many times does 3 go into 45? 15. So that's our m, 15. Okay? Now we're going to take it and we're going to put it in y equals mx plus b form. So we've got y equals mx plus b. We don't know the b, but we do have the y, which is 125. We have the slope, which is 15, and we have the x, which is 5. 5 times 15 is what? What? 65? 75? 15 and 15 is 30. So that's 60, 75. Yep. 1 times 25 equals 75 plus b. So I'm going to subtract 75 from both sides. I get 12, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I get 50 equals b. So my final answer is y equals 15x plus 50. $15 is how much it cost me per race, and $50 is how much my membership costs.